Hi, ka-Saudi, ka-OFW. Kakain tayo ngayon ng kabsa. Finally, makakain din ako ng kabsa. Namiss ko kaya to. Buksan natin ha. Yung kabsa na to, binili ko pala sa Baba Bazin. Sa mga taga-Riyadh dyan, sa Lemanya, alam nyo pa yun. Alam nyo siguro yung Baba Bazin. Ito, meron siyang condiments. Ito siya. Wait lang. May pasalad. Oh. May kutsara. May plastic pa. Sahan. Sahan tawag yata sa Arabic. Sahan? Hindi ako sure. Sahan yata. It's time to open. Wait lang. Nga pala, meron pala akong avocado from Baba Basil. Thank you so much, Baba Basil. Baka naman sa sunod sponsor na. Small lang kasi hindi ko maubos yung malaki. Pwede straw. Ano pa ba? Ayan o. Sarap. Sarap siya. Sarap. Dito na ako kakain. Sa mismohan. Hindi na ako magpa-plate pala. Namiss ko yung salad.
Hello?
Wait lang, i-post ko lang.
No, I didn't.
Yan, kakain na tayo. Wait lang. Buksan lang na. Ano ko lang kasi, ang may nagsamakan. Man, unang kagat, bye. Unang kagat. Wait lang. Ay! Alam nyo ba kung ano to? Bagoong pala guys. Yan, lalo ko na lang doon. Kasi may bagoong siya, hinalo ko na lang doon. Para sumarap. Yung salad. Sarap kaya yung salad na may bagoong na may. Yan, tapos nilagyan ko na. Ganda rin yung movie ko, Scream 7. Pinapanood ko, Scream 7. Kasi guys, Ilocano kasi ako, kaya mahilig ako sa bagoong. Bagoong. Pag Ilocano, mahilig ka sa bagoong. Shout out sa mga Ilocano dyan, mahilig sa bagoong. Mm. 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 Ang tamis ng sibuyas.
Jesus, you scared me. You're gonna give me a heart attack.
I'm sorry.
What are you doing here?
Well, it occurred to me that I've never swum through your bedroom window.
Init.
I was home, bored, watching TV. Stab was on. And that just got me thinking of you.
That's
Init.
terrific.
Really saw through Sydney's windows.
Well,
Init. Ang sarap.
no.
Mm.
My mom could just...
Nga pala, kung matigil na guys yung ano, giyera sa Middle East. Dito pala ako sa Riyadh. So far, so good pa naman.
Can you knock?
Safe naman
I
po
did.
kami.
Can you wait for a
Kawan
response?
ng Diyos.
Something wrong? No. No, everything's fine. You sure? Mm-hmm.
Pag-pray na lang natin guys
Ben,
na
how you doing
tumigil
over
na yung
there?
giyera. No?
On the floor, behind the bed.
Hello.
Mag-ingat po ang lahat ng taga
How are you this evening?
Middle East.
Oh, well, I'm
Sa one
tired.
sulok ng mundo pala.
That's why I didn't want to disturb anyone by using the door.
So thoughtful.
Iba yung pag-iingat mga kabayan dyan,
No.
OFW.
That's okay, I'm going.
Pag hindi naman importante lakad, wag nang lumalabas ng bahay.
I know it's late. I'm sorry, Mrs. Evans. That was all me. Tatum had no idea that I was coming over.
Okay, well, let's not do it again.
I'm a good guy, Mrs. Evans.
Good night, Ben.
Sorry.
Hypocrite.
It's not like a boy's never crawled through your window.
Mm.
All's in the movie.
Which is why it's never gonna happen in this house.
Why do you not like him?
La, sabi ko leg part,
I
type part,
don't
hindi
not
pala
like
to
him.
type part.
I want you to be smart and not trust him so easily.
We're not having sex if that's what you're worried about. I mean, we want to, but I don't think we're ready.
Tikman na natin yung
Well, if
avocado
you're asking the
guys.
question, then you're probably not.
Ang paborito ko palang mga shake or juice, avocado.
I mean, did that really happen to you? Like in the movie?
Yung mga gusto magbigay ng avocado dyan, baka naman.
It's freezing in here. How about we have these kinds of conversations
Sarap.
during waking hours, okay?
Sakto
No
lang yung
more
tamis
boys
niya.
in windows,
Sarap din.
please. Night.
Abangan nyo guys ang next mukbang ko. Thank you so much.
How ugly did it get?
Try nyo bagoong na may kamatis. Sarap.
You know, she's.
Kapsa, bye guys. Thank you.
Yeah, she made that point. You know,